The first launch of a functional program. This significant event marks the beginning of the gas burner at approximately 585 degrees Fahrenheit. We have been striving for this for a long time. As you can see, the moisture is completely gone and everything is clear. Here is our little burner, right here. Here is the gas cylinder, right over here. Here's the gas pressure. This is yet another clear and significant indicator of a noticeable reduction in the observed data. So approximately 10 IP addresses are pressured. This is how it is properly connected, the bus system itself and all the power sensors. Here we have the bus already coming here in a secure manner and ensure all connections are secure and stable. Then the VSD is properly connected to the 15th. This is one disconnection. On this side we also have sensors 11, 12, 13. Here we have sensors numbered 7, 8, 9, and 10, which are integral components of our advanced monitoring system designed to ensure optimal performance and safety. Let's proceed to the next section of our analysis. Now, we come to our ill-fated sensor number 11, which has been equipped with an additional thermocouple. This thermocouple is crucial for enhanced temperature measurement, providing more accurate and reliable data. In this setup, we have sensors that are connected sequentially, starting from the first sensor and continuing through to the third sensor. This configuration ensures a comprehensive data collection process, allowing us to monitor environmental conditions effectively and make informed decisions based on the collected data. And here, as you can clearly see, we have the 4th, 5th, and 6th sensors, which are connected respectively in this particular setup. That's all regarding the electronics. Next, we'll get to the VSD. What's with the temperature? Approximately 670 degrees Fahrenheit. That's how our system works in our system.